We have the little tent, and inside it comes with this round thing, and it's for the bottom of it to make it a little bit more sturdy. So let's go ahead and put that in. And if you notice also, these right here, you have some Velcro, so your door could stay open for your cats, so they could come in and out, or for your small pet. Oh, I went and put my tunnel through my door so my cats don't go and play anywhere else in there. Let's go ahead and see how it goes.
Here you go, Panchito.
He's thinking about it. Panchito.